Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardham api chaiva yat ijyate bharatasreshtha tam yajñam viddhi rajasam. Om. Do not perform divine activities for the sake of pride, to gain fame, and for some material benefit. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not perform divine activities for the sake of pride, to gain fame, and for some material benefit. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Kshira Sagara Madhanam is going on. From Vasuki's mouth there are so many poisonous flames coming out. Then Paramatma Srimanarayana with his blessings, the clouds came out and then started raining. With that, Devatas, Danavas got relieved, relaxed. Devatas and Danavas, how much ever they try, they are unable to derive Amrutam, nectar, from that churning. Then Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana Nirmamandha Ajitasvayam, he himself started Samudra Madhanam, he himself started churning the ocean. How beautiful that scene is. Sriman Narayana is looking so handsome with all that churning and with all of his physique. Meghasyamaha Kanaka Paridhihi. He himself is Neela Meghasyama, and he is wearing such a beautiful garments which is in color of gold. Such Paramatma is churning the ocean. Karna Vidyota Vidyut. Paramatma's Kantabharanas, the ornaments in his neck, are glowing just like as and how the lightning in the cloud, just like that they are glowing. Such Paramatma is churning the ocean. Murdhni Brajat. Paramatma's crown, the kiritam, is touching the space. Vilulita Kachaha Srakdharaha. His beautiful hair is hanging all the way till shoulders. Such beautiful hair is moving here and there, and Paramatma's garlands moving here and there while he is churning the ocean. Rakta Netraha, his eyes are red, from where the compassion is coming out, and compassion is spreading all over the earth, all over the Srishti. Such Paramatma is churning the ocean. Paramatma, while giving the blessing to the entire Srishti with his strong and divine shoulders, while holding Vasuki, he is churning the ocean. Such Paramatma is looking like another mountain right next to Mandara mountain. He is looking like Indranila Parvatam. Like that Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 12th sloka. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardhamapi chaivayat ijyate bharatashrestha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambhardhamapi chaivayat ijyate bharatashrestha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.